You're probably wondering why the fuck am I in the kitchen? As you guys have seen my little cooking shows, I'm obviously not the best cook and don't know what I'm doing in here. But let me tell you, last night I could not sleep and I was scrolling TikTok for hours and hours and hours. But as I'm scrolling on TikTok in the wee hours of the morning, I keep seeing this pasta TikTok once, twice, a third time, a fourth time, just circling around me. And I was like, I need this pasta. I need this pasta. It looked like you need at least 3 brain cells to do it. So we're gonna attempt this together. If I can do it, I'm sure you guys can do it. But it was weird that I even got this pasta TikTok on my For You page, considering I'm literally on Squishmallow TikTok. I literally arose at 4 a.m. like Dracula out of the coffin, and I was like, I need this pasta. But what's worse is when I went to go into my kitchen to see what I needed, I didn't have anything. Like, I didn't have pasta, no tomatoes, no feta cheese, nothing. Every TikTok of this pasta starts with, because of this recipe in Finland, they have sold out of feta cheese. I'm hoping Whole Foods is not out of feta cheese or this video is gonna be a giant flop. I walked over to the cheese section. It's gone. It's sold out. Just kidding. Got the last one. I have returned with a single feta cheese in all of Los Angeles County. Feta cheese, block cheese, packed in brine, $3.65, Whole Foods Market. Thank you very much. Hope this is the right kind of cheese. Honestly, it looked a little sus. Ew. It's in like literal vomit. I don't even know what that is. Well, I guess it's brine. Let's recap right now. Okay, so first let's watch this said TikTok together.
Because of this recipe, the grocery stores in Finland ran out of feta cheese.
Told y'all.
Here's how to make it. Add tomatoes, olive oil, salt, and pepper to a baking dish. Then add a block of feta cheese right in the middle. Bake at 400 for 35 minutes.
Ooh.
When it comes out, add some fresh garlic,
Sizzling.
fresh basil, and give it all a good mix.
Ooh.
Then add some of that cooked pasta right on top and give everything a good mix once again. And then it's time for the taste test. So good.
Okay, well, I'm sold. Obviously, the first thing you need is a feta cheese. Hopefully without the vomit inside the box. I got minced garlic because I don't have time to chop garlic. The next thing we got was a little tomatoes. We got basil. Never ever used basil before, so. I did have 1 box of pasta, but I got an extra one just in case. Now the random stuff I got in Target because I wanted to spend money. We got a spatula to mix it because I lost mine. Don't know where it went. The next thing I got is this thing called a squish. Pushes out like this. Obviously, this was not a want, but a need. The next thing I got was a baking dish from Pyrex. And obviously we have Miss Olive Oil. You know, you gotta get the extra virgin, a virgin who can't drive type of olive oil. I also have a second camera to get you guys a B-roll, baby, B-roll. So yeah, I'm prepared today. All right, party people, we have cleaned all our ingredients. We have tested the strainer. We have washed the basil and washed the tomatoes. We are ready. Add them to a little glass. Here we have our beautiful tomatoes. Now I will gently select all the pretty ones. There's some dusty ones in there that I don't want to eat because I'm scared of them. Okay guys, so the key is to kind of leave it a little flat and then leave a little open space in the middle for the feta, I think. Now that we have the situation under control, we're gonna add some olive oil. Let's hope I don't add too much. Ooh, a little crack. Ooh. Oh, it has a little tip on it so I don't go crazy. Ooh. I don't like too much oil, but I mean, I trust the process, right? Right? She then said put some salt and pepper, which I have here. Add that and mix it up. Let me do salt first, because this is getting confusing. Shaking both hands at once. A little marination never hurts. Feeling very Caucasian with all my cooking utensils, you guys. Okay, next we massage. Ooh, it feels absolutely disgusting. I actually want to puke, but it smells incredible already. We're gonna get the feta cheese out of the box of pea it came in. Ugh. Oh my god, guys, it's kind of hard. I wonder if this one will be better because it came in a box of vomit. You know, add a little extra flavor. What do I do with this box of feta piss? Also, don't forget to pepper and salt your feta cheese. And then she also drizzled olive oil on top of the feta. And she is in the oven looking nice and crispy. Oh wow. Good luck in there, man. Guys, she is fully cooked and out of the oven. I feel like I put way too much oil in it. Kind of gross, but we'll see how she tastes. That's the most important. You guys, look at this. All our hard work. There is a little crack in the feta. Not sure how that happened. And I feel like there's way too much oil. Ugh. That is disgusting. But we're gonna eat it. Disaster struck. I overboiled the pasta and it started leaking and going everywhere. I have no words. This is why I'm not allowed to cook. I think it's cooked now. Okay, guys. Prayers out. All right, guys. Moment of truth. Did I make enough pasta? Now we will mix. Why is this not looking like how it looked like in TikTok? There is still chunks of feta left. I don't know. Okay, guys, we were supposed to add in the basil too, so mess that up. Not me plucking the leaves. We'll add a little bit of garlic. Okay. Maybe no garlic today. After all our hard work, it is finally time to try the TikTok pasta. Oh, wow. Oh my God. You guys need to try this tonight. Okay, Finland was onto something. I see why the feta cheese was sold out. This has sent me straight to Flavortown, USA. It is tangy. It has a sweet tomato taste. It just tastes very satisfying. It's kind of like a sour, creamy pasta taste with some tomato. You can definitely taste the basil. Please tag me if you guys try this. Something else I want to speak to you guys about is the word permission. Not this turning into a little mukbang, but a lot of people live their lives for other people. And if you want to change your job or change your life or move across the country, do not wait for permission. Permission is never given, and if you're waiting for like a sign or a go-ahead from maybe your family or friends, or you just want someone to say it to you, go for it. Write that book, start that YouTube channel, go off on Instagram. I don't know who needs this message, but I'm sure it can help a lot of you. We all live in a society where we're conditioned to get permission for things. For example, when we were in elementary school or middle school, even going to the bathroom, you would have to raise your hand to get permission. So I feel like we need to uncondition ourselves for asking for permission to do stuff that we want to do. So this is me telling you and giving you the full allowance to do whatever the you want. So go out there and live your best life. You have the choice to create your own reality. You use your thoughts and create the life that you've always dreamed of, okay? Subscribe if you like this and you want to see more, if you want to see more cooking monstrosities from me or just videos in general. And I'll see you guys next Sunday. I'm gonna go ahead and finish all this pasta now.